Here are 6 ideas to help any teacher that wants to get started using maps in their classroom. If you are new to mapping technology, these tools will help students learn spatial skills, collect data, and explore the world. Start with paper maps and compasses to teach basic navigation skills, then introduce digital tools like ArcGIS Online and StoryMaps. When students are comfortable, expand into GPS data collection and drones. Several links to resources are listed in the description. 1. Start with paper topographic maps and real compasses. These tools help students learn the basics of geography. Learn cardinal direction, distance, and how to read map symbols. Students should learn how to orient a map and navigate. Use a paper topographic map of your school and surrounding area to teach about contour lines and street navigation. Try this. Give students a local map and a compass. Ask them to identify directions, measure distances, and locate important landmarks. I believe paper maps should be used as often as possible throughout all levels of education, starting in kindergarten. 2. Use the National Geographic Map Maker to create and share interactive maps with your students. It allows students to add data layers, explore patterns, and sketch using real-world information. Because it runs in a web browser, it works well on Chromebooks and other classroom devices. MapMaker is an ideal tool starting at an elementary level to introduce 2D and 3D map exploration. Try this. Have students map earthquakes, population, or local landmarks. See the description for the link. 3. Use ArcGIS StoryMaps created by others as background reading or when students need to create, explaining location-based ideas using maps, text, images, and video. StoryMaps help students organize research and communicate stories clearly. This works well for history and environmental science. This tool is free as a part of the ArcGIS for Schools bundle. They are great tools from upper elementary to graduate school. Try this. Ask students to create a story map explaining the Oregon Trail or a local environmental issue. 4. Use GPS data collection apps such as ArcGIS Survey 123 to gather information outside the classroom. Students can record locations and take photos in the field. This connects classroom learning with the real world. This tool is free in the bundle. You could also use pre-built geoprojects to ease into field data collection. Try this. Have students map trees, school recycling bins, or water sources around campus. 5. Web-based GIS allows students to add their own data on top of professionally produced layers. Tools like the ArcGIS Map Viewer are perfect for a wide range of tasks, including customizing symbology, adding media layers, and even spatial analysis. Try this. Add layers from your county, GIS department, a National Historical Society, or USGS to create a custom map that serves your needs. Students can make maps to support their own inquiries, research projects, or data collection projects. 6. Drones can capture aerial images that students can use to study landscapes and environments from above. These images can be added to maps and analyzed to look for patterns such as erosion, vegetation change, or land use. Drones also introduce students to modern mapping technologies used in science and industry. Check your local, state, or federal laws before flying. Try this. Fly a drone over the school grounds and analyze the images to study land use, vegetation, or drainage patterns. Whatever geospatial tools you use, have fun and watch the learning grow.